All right. So I guess it's this test. Cut the head off fishes.
Yeah.
Okay, should we start by concatenating all the fishes maybe into that Flux, the fish cleaning machine?
Mm. Yeah.
So was there a
All
Flux
right.
dot concatenate method straight away? Oh yeah, it was. Do we need to make them both fluxes first to get that method maybe?
Yeah, that's true. Because you have
All
at
right.
least under 6 now.
Oh,
Yeah. I was hoping that it would just act on collections or something.
Maybe there is a collections concat thingy, but let's try with the concat of fluxes because that's what we want to practice.
I guess we could do it in a one-liner if we do flux dot just around both of them and then in between the concatenate. So exactly, if we do that one on fish batch 1 and then concat with, I guess, yeah. And then do another flux just of fish batch 2.
You can see that it's saying that you need to provide a publisher here. We talked about publisher.
Yeah, that flux was a publisher.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly. So
he's not happy though.
Yeah. Let's read what's the error.
Oh wait, it needed a publisher that extended list, didn't it?
So your flux should contain
Why
fish.
isn't it helping us?
What? It's complaining about.
There.
Yeah. Because your previous flux, that just the previous one is a flux of a list of a fish. Maybe that's not right. There's a difference between just and the other ones that I explained. Maybe you can look at the README. Just open the README and let's go through it. So.
It was from iterable.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Nice.
Right.
Okay, so should we now map over the fish cleaning machine and cut their heads off?
And just continue on the previous line.
Yeah, I guess we could add on to that one. And I guess we should be able to just reference the method in the fish class. Or was it a helper method that we add now?
Yeah, let's just start with lambda and then change it to the reference so that we see.
Okay.
But yeah, that's the right way to do it. So we have a fish. Let's see what do we have in the fish. Yeah, and now you can turn, now you can turn it to the. So what's next?
Yeah, I don't know what we want to do more with the fishes. Or should we just try and search now that we cut off all their heads?
I guess we need. Yeah. So, step verifier.
Yeah.
Yes. I was starting to think what kind of, how we could verify that their heads have been cut off.
That's a good point.
But yeah, exactly. We want to create it from the fish cleaning machine, probably. Can we take a look at the fish object and see what kind of helper methods and so on we have? It's not too big.
Yeah, no, I didn't think this one through enough. There is not there is not enough helper methods. But maybe we can refactor it. Why not? So maybe we can add a Boolean into it, into the class.
Yeah, yeah.
And then you can set the default value as false. The name is like headless or something.
As head, yeah.
As head? Yeah, as head. You need to define the Boolean as a member as well. Yeah, exactly.
Ah, cool. Okay, and we need to initialize it to true. I guess we could do that either here or in the constructors. Yeah.
And when we cut it off,
It's false.
Yeah, we want to set it to false. Yeah. Should we initialize in the other constructor as well?
Yeah, let's do it.
And then in the, yeah, let's start with that. And I don't think we need to receive it in the first constructor since we just put it through. Awesome. Then we should be able to verify if we cut off all their heads. Oh. Nice, with the column select mode.
Good stuff.
More.
Cool.
So where were we?
Right.
There.
So
So how was it here? If we do an expect next on each of the fishes, was there a way, wasn't there some verification method where you provided like a predicate or something?
You could use expect next and then add assertions like normal test.
Okay.
You could add the filter to the one above and then count the number of stuff in it. But that's not what you, I guess, want to do. That's kind of ugly here. Yeah, what else do we have? Let's explore the other availabilities. Okay, yeah, what was on the consume next thing? No, these are not what we need. Expect next matches. Yeah, I guess expect next matches, you can add a predicate there.
Yeah. And there we can, I guess with the lambda say that the fish and fish dot has head should be false then.
Yeah, in this case should be false. Yeah, so this one will fail. But the thing is now you can't use the method reference.
Maybe if we just add the exclamation mark before it.
Yeah, maybe. No.
No. Oh.
Yeah, we need to.
Yeah. Yeah, I would put an exclamation mark before it, I think.
Yeah.
All right.
So how do we do now? Do we need to, should we do this for all 4 fishes or?
Yeah, that's true. Because you are checking only one of the things that comes out of the flux now. You want to check all of them.
Do what to just duplicate?
Yeah, I guess duplicate this 3 more times. On a normal day, you wouldn't do something like this, but for sake of example, that should do just fine for us. Because we want to play with the APIs. Yeah, that's your data expectations.
All right.
Okay.
You expect something else as well, usually.
Complete. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, let's try.
Cool.
Nice.
Nice.
Just to play with it, if you remove the one of the exclamation marks, just one of them. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
It's failed.
Awesome.
Yeah, cool. What is it saying? Assertion error. Yeah, that's cool.
All right, but was there a nicer way to write this?
So here your fishes are referenceless. I have defined the fishes here. They don't have any identifier. They don't have any reference to them outside of these lists. So you could extract these 4 ones into 4 variables and then put the variables here somehow. That would work. Or if they had an identifier, you could use the identifier in the assert next, for example.
But,
Since you can't reference the fishes inside it, inside the lists to any reference point, then you can't assert against them. So I guess no, there is no nicer way, at least from what comes to my mind.
is a flux ordered in the way when you iterate over it?
It is ordered.
Okay. Mhm.
Yeah. So we can check that in the previous test. If you just go to the previous test. And in your expect next, change the order here. It should say.
Yeah. Okay. Mhm.
Like, it even tells you the expected value is. It gives the memory address of the things that it's expecting, because we are expecting some objects, but still,
Yeah.
So yeah, let's correct this test and then mob next.